Let's talk about OpenClaw. OpenClaw is an open-source AI agent platform that allows you to create AI assistants capable of performing tasks and workflows automatically. To access OpenClaw, visit OpenClaw on GitHub. Unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, which are primarily designed for conversations, OpenClaw focuses on building AI agents that can perform tasks, follow workflows, and automate business processes. Think of an AI agent as a digital employee. Instead of asking questions one at a time, you create instructions that tell the agent exactly what to do, how to do it, and what outcome you want. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you run an e-commerce store. Step 1. Gather your product information, including the product name, features, specifications, and benefits. Step 2. Configure an AI agent and instruct it to create SEO-friendly product descriptions. Step 3. Add another task that tells the agent to generate social media captions for Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms. Step 4. Instruct the agent to create marketing content or promotional email copy based on the same product information. Now, instead of manually creating content for every product, the AI agent can perform multiple tasks automatically and consistently. Let's look at another example. Suppose you need help with lead generation. Step 1. Provide the agent with criteria for your ideal customer. Step 2. Allow the agent to collect and organize lead information from approved data sources. Step 3. Have the agent categorize leads based on industry, company size, or potential value. Step 4. Generate a report that your sales team can review and use for outreach. This process can save significant time and ensure information is organized consistently. OpenClaw can also be useful for internal business operations. For example, you can create agents that organize documents, generate reports, summarize information, prepare meeting notes, or assist with routine administrative tasks. The real advantage of AI agents is automation. Once configured properly, they can repeat the same workflow whenever needed without requiring constant instructions. This reduces repetitive work and allows teams to focus on more important responsibilities. The biggest benefit is scalability. As your business grows, AI agents can handle larger workloads without requiring additional manual effort. For business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who want automation rather than simple AI conversations, OpenClaw can be a powerful solution for improving productivity and streamlining everyday operations. By starting with a simple workflow and gradually expanding your automations, you can build AI systems that save time, improve efficiency, and support business growth.